Deep beneath our feet lies a hidden network. It carries away waste and storm water, protecting our health and environment. This network relies on durable and reliable pipes. Stoneware pipes are the unsung heroes of this underground world. These pipes are built to last, withstanding the test of time and the harshest conditions. Stoneware pipes have been used for centuries. Their longevity is a testament to their strength and resilience. From ancient civilizations to modern cities, these pipes have been the backbone of drainage systems. Today, they remain a popular choice for their reliability and sustainability. Stoneware pipes are not flashy or glamorous, but they are essential for our modern way of life. They work tirelessly beneath the surface, ensuring our cities function smoothly. These pipes are a testament to the fact that sometimes the most important things are the ones we don't even notice. Stoneware pipes are crafted from simple yet powerful materials. Clay and other natural minerals are mixed together. This mixture is then shaped into pipes using specialized molds. The pipes are subjected to intense heat in a kiln. This high-temperature firing process vitrifies the clay. This process gives stoneware pipes their incredible strength and durability. The intense heat binds the materials together. This creates a pipe that is virtually impervious to wear and tear. The result is a pipe that can withstand heavy loads, resist corrosion, and last for generations. The manufacturing process also gives stoneware pipes a smooth, glassy interior. This smooth surface allows for efficient water flow. It also prevents the buildup of debris that can lead to clogs. This makes stoneware pipes ideal for managing wastewater and stormwater. Stoneware pipes are incredibly versatile. They are used in a wide range of applications. These pipes are found in sewer systems, drainage systems, and stormwater management systems. Their strength and durability make them ideal for underground installations. In sewer systems, stoneware pipes transport wastewater away from homes and businesses. Their resistance to corrosion ensures they can handle the harsh chemicals found in sewage. Stoneware pipes are also used in drainage systems to carry away excess water from roads, buildings, and agricultural land. Stoneware pipes play a crucial role in stormwater management. They help prevent flooding by efficiently channeling stormwater to treatment facilities or natural water bodies. Their longevity ensures these systems can handle even the heaviest rainfall events. Section 4. Installation and jointing. The keys to success. Proper installation is essential for stoneware pipes to perform optimally. The pipes are typically laid in trenches. A bed of compacted gravel or sand provides a stable foundation. The pipes are carefully joined together to create a watertight seal. Traditional jointing methods involve mortar. However, modern installations often use flexible rubber gaskets. These gaskets provide a tight seal while allowing for movement and expansion. This helps to prevent leaks and cracks over time. The installation process requires careful planning and execution. The trenches must be properly sloped to ensure proper water flow. The pipes must be aligned correctly to prevent leaks at the joints. Proper installation ensures the long-term performance and effectiveness of the drainage system. Section 5. The future is bright stoneware pipes in the modern world. Stoneware pipes have stood the test of time. They remain a reliable and sustainable solution for our drainage needs. Their longevity, durability, and environmental friendliness make them an ideal choice for modern infrastructure projects. As we move towards a more sustainable future, these pipes will continue to play a vital role. Research and development are ongoing. New manufacturing techniques and materials are being explored. These innovations aim to further enhance the strength, durability, and sustainability of stoneware pipes. The future of stoneware pipes is bright.